Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm heading out to Argyle Lake State Park. That's over in Colchester, Illinois, site 57. It looked like it was a private site. I'm going by myself. It's going to be 90 degrees. Calling on thunderstorms. Not really my wife's cup of tea. I think she digs the thunderstorm thing, but she doesn't like the 90 degrees. 90 degrees in Illinois is different than 90 degrees where I go from. So if I'm in the shade, 90 degrees up here, life is good. So this weekend, I'm going to be doing some fishing. I've been dying to go fishing. I've been wanting to go fishing. And by God, I'm going. That's why I'm going back to a state park. I want to fish a lake. Alright, I got me this cool little sun visor camera holder now too. That's nice. Don't ask me how I was doing it before. Alright guys, I'll see you when I get there. It's about 2 hours from here. Bye. There we go, Campground BCD. I don't know what that is. Mine's like Twisted Oak or something. Main campground. Hunter registration. Nope. I ain't hunting nothing. I'm here to do a little fishing. Yep, Twisted Oak Campground. Hey.
Well, hey, can we help you?
Yeah, I got site 57. Alright. Let's see what we got, guys. I'll park right there. Alright guys, so I think I found a trail. Oh, it's gonna lead down to the lake. I got a feeling it's gonna lead to the lake. We gotta go fishing. Yeah, I think this will lead down to the lake. If it doesn't, then I'll just turn around. I can see it over the hill. A trail. You can go that way. We're gonna go this way. So I can definitely see water over here. Look at how far. Oh, look at Wise Off. No horses hiking on it. No horses, no bikes. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Argyle Lake, fellas. Beautiful. That's how close we can get to it. Probably lose a lure or two there. Look at that tree right there. You know, I'd love to be fishing off of that. Might be able to cast it over there. Let's go see. Yeah, I think I can cast a lure down here. What kind of witchcraft is that? My left her towel. Oh yeah, we can cast a lure down here. Oh shit, it's flying around me. I'm probably gonna regret not bringing any bugs free. Yeah, we're gonna cast a line out here. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, I got a fish. Okay, I don't know if that counts. It's pretty. Well, it's something. This tackle box here, I love it. All right. Well, I cast a few times. I caught that little tiny brim. Call them brims where I come from, or panfish, whatever they were. Right here, this is not a really great place. I'm gonna see if there's like an actual fishing pier here, or like a cleaner place to fish at. All right, I'll probably do that in the morning. I'm getting hungry. Oh look, there's something. There's something that looks homemade. That does not look safe. Obviously we gotta go on it. Dude, this is feels like it's a pallet. Yeah, it's been out there for a little while. This used to be a bunch of mines. Then they filled it. They dammed it off, I guess, and then they filled it up. I bet my trucks is right there. Look at that deer. Look at that little fawn. Hey, baby. What you doing? Look at you. Look like you need to eat. I'll leave you be. Hey guys, I just got back from my hike, so let me give you a little tour of camp. I just realized I hadn't done that yet. So, obviously, Cirrus 620, F350. Really nice camp stove here. Campfire pit, sorry. You know, kind of the standard park picnic bench. A57, and this is a turnaround. So this site here, the only neighbor could be there, or over there. And then the trailhead I just came off of is over there. And I am hot and sweaty. It's 90 degrees. That was a hell of a walk for 90 degrees. Hey guys, so I'm starting to cool off now. Now it's time for a refreshing beverage. You know what a refreshing beverage is, right? I've been good all week. I've been really good all week. It's time for a nice cold beer, and this is a cold beer. This right here is the Finnish Long Drink, Legend of 1952, traditional citrus, 5.5% alcohol. So it says the Finnish, when they were still recovering from World War II, they were preparing for the 1952 Summer Games, and the government commissioned and I guess co-created the Long Drink, the Finnish Long Drink. Company is S&D. I don't know what that stands for. Let's say made with real liquor. Is this a liquor drink? Grapefruit and juniper berry flavors, carbonation. Okay, so I gotta be honest with you. I thought it was a beer. Sounds really good. Let me take a picture of this. Oh, it smells like grapefruit. Oh man, this smells divine. They bottled refreshing. That's what that is. They just bottled refreshing. They captured refreshing and they put it in a can. Oh my God, that is freaking amazing. And I don't remember where I bought it at. That's great. The grapefruit is very strong in it, but it is, oh, that is so freaking good. That's dangerous. My wife can drink this, and my wife doesn't drink alcohol. But she loves grapefruit, and she would love this drink. I'm telling you right now. I don't know if I've ever had a grapefruit drink this delicious. I wonder if all of them taste like this, all long drinks. This, what's the company? The company is, it's made in the USA. You can call it Finnish all they want, but it's made in the USA. Whatever it looks like a S&D. Whatever that is. South Dakota, I don't know. That's amazing. Holy crap, that's amazing. What's the carbs in this thing? It's got to be killing me. Let's see. Carbs, 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 carbs. I guess they figure if you're drinking this, you ain't counting carbs. All right, so this week, this weekend, I'm staying tonight. So this is Saturday. I'm staying tonight here. They're calling them thunderstorms tonight. There's like a 40% chance, 50% chance of them being severe. It is what it is. And we're in Illinois. I mean, it's summertime in Illinois. Pretty much 12 months of the year, expect some kind of severe weather. I was actually one time, I managed for Caterpillar. I was in a tornado shelter next to the Illinois River. Then they called it because they had a tornado in the area. And then they had a flood watch come up. And the day before, we had a blizzard watch. We were out in that tornado shelter It was like 35 degrees. I don't even know how you could have a tornado at 35 degrees. But we did. It's Illinois. Yep, it's Illinois. It is what it is. High property taxes and weird extreme weather all year. All right, this is wonderful. I brought some ground beef. I brought some ground sausage. I brought some breakfast sausage. I want to try the breakfast sausage. I got it from an IGA, which if you don't know what an IGA is, it's a small grocery store chain. It may not be small, but they're usually small grocery stores. But it's some of their homemade sausage. I want to try that. Always bring eggs. I brought a dozen eggs with me. Some cheese. I've got all kinds of vegetables and stuff up here in the cabinet. So we'll be trying something. We'll be using something from up there too. All right, guys. I'm gonna sit here and relax, watch a little television, and chill. Maybe edit. I think I should edit. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's about 4 a.m. and it's time to make some coffee. Okay, guys. So I got the cast iron skillet working. Got my coffee water working. So I bought this. I want to see if I can go filterless. That's really fine mesh. Here's some bourbon vanilla cream. This Door Country coffee, like their Highlander grog, and this. Whew, these are like dessert coffees, so. Man, if I can go filterless, that would be amazing. Here's that pork sausage I bought from IGA. IGA is that small town little grocery store. I'm gonna cook all this, but I'm gonna eat all of it. I'm not eating all of it, at least not right at the moment. I will have leftovers. I don't care if my sausage patties are round or what have you. I don't care. I just need them to be delicious. Slightly warm. It seems to filter really quick, so that may have an effect on the taste of the coffee. And that sausage smells good. Okay. I gotta confess, guys, I don't like drinking out of this plastic coffee cup. We bought these for camping a long time ago. America. I got these after July 4th. They were on sale on clearance, and I'm not passing up a good clearance deal. All right, guys. Gotta season the eggs though. Oh man. Oh man. I love eggs. And I buy the Vital Farms or the Happy eggs. And I'm gonna tell you, the Vital Farms eggs, the yolks are so dark. I love them. Eggs are so good. So this is that sausage. Let's see what it tastes like. That's pretty damn good. It's got just the right amount of heat. There's a flavor in there I'm not familiar with though, or at least not in sausage. Whatever it is, I need to start adding it to mine. They said there's a cemetery here. I need to look and see, because I don't know. They say it's an old pioneer cemetery. Sometimes when people put that out there on videos, it may be in the area. So when I do my research for these sites, it may be in the area. But Argyle Lake State Park used to be like all mines and stuff. And then sometime way long ago, they flooded it and made this big man-made lake. This is delicious. All right, let me get on my morning. Okay guys, so there is a hornet that is, I don't know, loving my camper this morning, and it will not stay away from it. So yesterday I didn't see it at all. This morning I got up, went outside around 5:45, and yeah, it was out there then. I don't know. I didn't spray my sight down with, I didn't fog it because I barely saw any bugs out. I won't make that mistake again. I'm allergic to yellow jackets, so, and hornets are similar to yellow jackets, so I don't want to take a chance finding out if I'm allergic to those too. Okay, I'm gonna go see if we can find a better place to fish. I'll let you know. Too many wasps and stuff out today for me. I love winter truck camping.
Head east.
Road seriously narrows. There it is. It seriously narrows. All right, look at this. Beautiful.